First, check the surrounding.
Up, down,
Up,
left,
down,
and right.
And right.
Sino safe? Approach the patient.
Hey, 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 are you okay? Hey, 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 are you okay?
Stop. Baliktad. Bakit ka nandiyan sa uluhan? Di ba? Where should your
Ay,
legs should
po.
be in between your
Between po
shoulder?
sa shoulder po.
Oh, ba't nandun ka?
Ay,
Yeah.
nakalimutan ko.
Hindi, dapat ganito. Okay, and go.
Hey, 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 are you okay? Hey, 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 are you okay? No response. Hey, you, call the blue shirt, call 911, get the EET and come back. Okay. Then, health tilt, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ano yung tinuro ni Shabnam?
And pong cart.
Carotid pulse. Okay, and 10. Negative pulse, negative breathing, perform.
CPR po.
Locate mo muna yung anong
Locate
landmark
po yung
natin. Xiphoid process.
Then, yung pong up.
Okay.
Then straight po yung para makapagbigay ng
Forward pa.
forward para
And push.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Look at your
7,
patient.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. You're going too fast. 8, 9, 1. See, nahirapan ka na.
Hindi siya kinakabahan.
Head tilt.
Head tilt. Put the mask po. Ay, wala namang mask, pero ganon.
May mask na yan. So, seal the mask. Look, nun. And blow. Look at the chest. Blow. Continue CPR.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Look at your
15,
patient
16,
all the
17,
time.
18, 19, 20,
Look
1,
at your patient.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Yan.
6, 7, 8, 9,
2.
2.
Head
Again.
tilt, chin lift, seal. No, ang pag-seal, ganyan. Yan, perfect. Thank you, Shabnam. And blow. And blow. Continue. How many times?
5 repeats po.
Okay, 5 na.
5 na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
9?
3,
5.
5. Okay na, sir. Positive pulse, positive breathing.
Did you check?
Ay,
Head tilt, chin lift.
lift.
Tanggalin mo na yung mask. Carotid pulse. And count. Look, listen, and feel.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sir, positive pulse and positive breathing na po.
And negative breathing.
Negative breathing.
Perform.
Rescue breath po.
Okay. Ano yung paano yung rescue breath?
Health tilt, this. Ay, put ko lang po to.
Okay.
And breath.
Count. Paano ba ang counting?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Tama ba yan? Is it correct? Paano yung rescue breath?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10.
6, then blow.
Yeah.
6, then blow.
Okay,
6, then blow.
okay. Ay.
How many times you repeat?
3 times.
20 to
20,
30 for within 2 minutes. Again, isang blow, rest for 6 seconds,
Okay.
repeat that for 20 times.
Okay po.
So your counting will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
2.
sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 until
Okay.
20.
Sige po.
And blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1,
1, 2, 3,
2,
1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
louder nga.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4,
18.
5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20.
Head tilt, chin lift, look, listen, and feel for 10 seconds. Tanggalin mo yung mask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positive pulse.
And positive breathing.
Perform.
Recovery position po.
Paano yun?
Naka-up po to. Tapos
To the left, to the right?
to the left po.
Why to the left?
Because of yung pong function po ng heart nandito po.
Okay. Ano pang tanong ko? How if you're super tired, how long can you rest?
Yun lang.
Not, dapat ang interruptions not more than
Not more than 10 seconds po.
10 seconds.
po.
Okay,
Yes
so you
po.
can rest actually not more than 10 seconds, okay? So what if you find yourself or you find your patients nag-fall from the second floor or through the stairs? Paano mo i-open ang airway ng patients?
Form po, jaw thrust po.
Paano yung jaw thrust?
Ito lang po, tapos ibubuka mo po yung bibig
Okay.
po para po
And then there should be 2 rescuers for that,
Siya po yung
okay?
provide